បាទបងប្អូនជាទីមេត្រីយើងទទួលបាន F5 មួយសម្រាប់ដូរថ្មហើយថ្ម F5 នេះយើងទិញមកតែ5គ្រាប់ទេពីក្រុមហ៊ុនបដ original បាទគេថែមអុយអីច្រើនហើយឥឡូវយើងម្ចាស់ទៅញ៉ាំអញ្ចឹងយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមដោះតែម្ដងហើយដើម្បីដោះវាខ្ញុំត្រូវចាក់កន្លែងនេះដើម្បីយក SIM អត់ចេញទេបងប្អូនវាវែងឥឡូវយើងឆ្កឹះនឹងកញ្ចក់ដៃបាន yes វា use the nail បាទឥឡូវយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមបកវាយកបកវាទាំងនេះមកមុនបាទបាទវា use the thumbnail I don't know what it spell yes when we open it we careful the scan cable because all the China phone always make a very long cable for its scan, so that careful. We always make it cut off. Yes, now we this symbol or we remove battery connector and pull it out. Yes, it is the old and this is the new one. It is the original 100%. Yes, so that we check the hesitate not true. I will check it and spell it again. Yes, now I look for the OCA for stick the battery because it glue not work. It is so old so that it cannot work. Now we put the new one, the new glue, the new sticker, the new OCA. Yes, stick like this. Yes, and one more. It rather strong working. Only one not strong. Yes, this no, not yet. Yes, after that you open the plastic and connect the connector of battery before we push it into its place. Yes, make like this and push down. Yes, and now we retie the screw. It is so long and this is the short one. Oh, short one not work. Now, yes, this is long also. Yes, now we turn on. Yes, it worked. Now we reconnect the scan connector. Yes, cable of scan. Now we put back the cover. Yes, after that we reinstall the SIM card. Yes, boy, giờ này ai cất rồi. Get it from China when we buy the battery. 45,000 នេះថ្មចាស់គាត់គាត់ Yes, thank you for watching.